Chapter 8, A Recipe for Mealtimes by Anonymous. Part A. Questions 1. What is a recipe? What does this poem say it is a recipe for? Ans. A recipe is a set of instructions to be followed while cooking a dish. In this poem, the recipe given is for a mealtime, gathering, setting the table politely, and waiting for everyone to join is called a recipe that makes for a joyful family mealtime. 2. What things does the poet say you should do before you start cooking? Ans. One should set the table with glasses, plates, or bowls, with cutlery and napkins. We should not forget to wash and dry our hands before we start cooking. Question 3. Make lists of words from the poem under the following headings. A. 5 nouns for items used to set a table. Ans. Utensils, glasses, plates, bowls, cutlery, napkins. B. 5 verbs for actions done when cooking. Ans. Actions, collect, weigh, chop, add, stir. B. Reference to context. Read these lines from the poem, then answer the questions. First, before you make a start. A. What should you do before you start? Ans. Before you start, you should set the table neatly with glasses, plates, cutlery, and napkins, and wash and dry your hands. First, before you make a start. B. What activity is going to be started? Ans. The activity of preparing and enjoying a family mealtime is going to be started. C. Which line rhymes with this line? Ans. The line that rhymes with, before you make a start, is, you could put on an apron, to really look the part. Second, add a bit of seasoning. A. What examples of seasoning are given? Ans. The examples of seasoning given in the poem are salt, pepper, or lime. B. What does seasoning do? Ans. Seasoning adds flavor and taste to the food, making the meal more enjoyable for everyone. C. Words and meanings. Finish the following sentences with the metaphor. Use words like cake, cess, or disaster. A. Not following instructions is a recipe for disaster. B. If you are making something sweet, here is a good recipe for cake. C. Being polite to people is a recipe for success. D. Match the column. Phrases and meanings. 1. Go bananas to become really angry, wild, or excited. 2. Walk on eggshells. Be very careful not to upset or offend someone. 3. Spice up. Make more interesting or exciting. 4. 2 peas in a pod. 2 things are very similar to each other. 5. Piece of cake. Something that is very easy to do. 6. In a pickle. In a difficult or complicated situation. 7. Full of beans. Full of energy and enthusiasm.
Friends, we end this chapter over here. Do subscribe, like and share. Bye.